welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Ill Will coming at you live and direct from Seattle, Washington. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ill Will. I am a street photographer. I do content creation for small businesses. I do portraits, I do family photos, I do outdoor photography, product photography, just content creation for people's social media. I've done a lot of work from BMW to just your local like coffee shop basically. So if you don't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell notification. I'm going to be loading. I'm trying to get a lot better at my YouTube, so I'm trying to upload videos every single week. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a beat or anything that I'm posting. If you don't already, go ahead, add me on Instagram at illwillmedia, and check out my website, illwillmedia.com. I got a lot of merch up there. I got ways you can reach me for photo shoots. And on Instagram, pay attention very closely because I actually have giveaways and free photo sessions if you're in the Seattle area. So definitely make sure you check that out. What's today's video? I actually forgot what today's video is about. Got you, I remember. All right, so today's video, I'm shooting at night with my homegirl Zoney. Zoney is a model here in Seattle. The one thing I wanted to try to get was some night shots in Pike Place with nobody walking around. Pretty much, it's a touristy spot in Seattle. It's pretty much where everybody comes to get their viral photo or TikTok done. And the only time there's nobody there is at night or early in the morning. But with that being said, it's your boy Ill Will, and let's go ahead and get to the footage, all right? Yeah. No. Keep it out. Rock out with your flag out. She's so saucy. Saucy Zoney. Keep it out. Saucy Zoney.